All right. I'm going to start this. See how long it goes. 10 seconds into the video. You gotta let it quit rocking back and forth crazily, but the way they got that, I don't know why it's so close to that bell. It's been 30 seconds so far. And the gear's still moving. Now, don't count if the gear just rocks back and forth. I'm just seeing how close they're having that pendulum right. I already fixed that spring because when I first got it home, when my aunt gave it to me, I went to put the key on the front to turn it. All I did is got the key pushed on, and that spring went pring all the way from where it is all the way. And I thought the spring had broken. What it is, there's a little, it's slowing down, it looks like. But it's been over a minute 10 seconds. But it's still going because the gear's moving. When it slows down enough, that gear just rocks back and forth. Just like that. That's 140. So it went 1 minute and 30 seconds without stopping. So that's pretty good. I'm getting close. But yeah, I've been working on it. When this works, listen to what it does. Hold on, go home about it yourself. The stopper, see, I fixed that too. It stops, it won't let it spin. See? Watch that butterfly in there. See it? Well, when it does work, it sounds like this. And this one will sound like that. So you get that for one, like if it's 130, you'll hear. Or 15 till 2. It goes off every 15 minutes. And then this will go off like at 1 o'clock, it'll do the, or if it's 4 o'clock, it'll go. Excuse me. Sounds so awesome, don't it? My wife don't want me having it doing any of that. Just like mine. So when it goes off, I just turn that like that. And it don't do nothing except it'll do the regular thing, but it won't hit this, so that'll keep everything else from breaking. Oh, listen to that again. I'll just string some guitar strings in there. When it goes up like that, put a guitar pick on it. Go ring, ring, and play the chord, G chord or something. Anyway, all right.